Hey guys, what's going on? My wife and I were at Family Dollar earlier today and I picked up a couple packs of Yugioh Legendary Duelists Duels from the Deep Lite Edition. There's 3 cards per pack and I got quite a few packs, so we'll open them and see what we got. So starting with the first pack, let's see what we get. Full Armored Black Ray Lancer, a Nash Knight hologram, and a Cyber Shark. Pretty snazzy. Good first pack. Marincess Circulation, Sea Stealth Attack, and the Rage of Kairu Shin. Number C101, Silent Honor Dark, Marincess Bubble Ring, and a Cyber Shark. The Legendary Fisherman, a Double Fin Shark, and a Cyber Shark.
Those are cool looking.
Saber Shark, a Marincess Coral Anemone, whatever, who knows, and a Rank Up Magic Quick Chaos. While we were out driving today, we stopped because I saw an old General Lee. I love the old cars. This is looks like a gold rare, so set that off to the side. And that was a Levia Dragon Daedalus. Then we got a Legendary Fisherman 3, and then Lemuria Forgotten City. So we'll set those there. But we saw a General Lee, and I went and looked at it and talked to the owner. Because I'm currently building a A-Team van myself, and I like the old star cars and stuff like that from TV shows and stuff. We got a Marincess Coral Anemone, Frostosaurus, and Lemuria Forgotten City. But it was cool looking at it, checking it out, and dreaming. Because man, that was my favorite show when I was a kid. So it'd be cool to have one, maybe one day. Full Armored Black Ray Lancer, a Forbidden Droplet, and a Marincess Wave. Then we got the Legendary Fisherman 2, a Kairu Shin's Dark Reef, and a Full Armored Black Ray Lancer. Let me look at this and make sure that, yeah, there's another gold. Okay, that's that. Let's make sure these are all. Yeah, okay, I had them all separated correctly. So we got base, the hollow, the silver, and then the gold. Okay. Marincess Marbled Rock, Kairu Shin's Dark Reef, and then a Full Armored Black Ray Lancer. Marincess Marbled Rock, Bahamut Shark, and then a Rage of Kairu Shin. So please like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends, comment. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, and we can go from there. Marincess Crystal Heart, CXYZ Nash Knight. That's a pretty cool looking card though. Hollow. That's real pretty. Marincess Wonder Heart. Marincess Crystal Heart. So 3 packs left. Let's see what we get. See what we can do. Torrential Tribute, Marincess Sleepy Maiden, And then the Legendary Fisherman 3. 2 packs down. Marincess Sea Angel, Marincess Purple Ring, and then the Marincess Battle Ocean. That was a Marincess pack right there. All right, last pack. Let's see what we can do. Legendary Fisherman 2, Bahamut Shark, and then a Marincess Crystal Heart. All right, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day. Bye-bye.